Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Solana on MetaMask. First, understand that MetaMask does not directly support the Solana blockchain. To acquire a Solana-pegged asset, you'll need an existing EVM-compatible token, such as Ethereum or USD, in your MetaMask wallet. Make sure your MetaMask is connected to an EVM-compatible network like Ethereum, Polygon, or Binance Smart Chain to begin this process. Next, you'll bridge your existing tokens to an EVM-compatible network where a wrapped Solana token, often called WSOL, is available. Then, navigate to a decentralized exchange on that network, like Uniswap or QuickSwap. Here, you will swap your current tokens for WSOL. Always double-check the transaction details, including the amount and estimated gas fees, before confirming your swap. After a successful swap, you'll need to add the wrapped Solana token to your MetaMask wallet so it appears in your asset list. Locate the correct contract address for the WSOL token on the network you used. In MetaMask, go to Import Tokens, select Custom Token, and paste the contract address. Your wrapped Solana balance should then be visible in your wallet. It's crucial to remember that the WSOL you hold in MetaMask is a wrapped version, not native Solana. This means its value is pegged to Solana, but it operates on an EVM chain. Always be mindful of the various fees involved, including bridging costs and decentralized exchange transaction fees, which can impact your total acquisition cost. For more great content and other deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.